Thank you for watching all the previous videos in our marketing series. Now it's time to put it all together with a comprehensive marketing plan for one of the most iconic brands in the world, Apple. Let's dive in. Apple excels in creating value and building lasting relationships with its customers. They start by creating awareness through powerful ads and a strong social media presence. During the consideration phase, customers compare Apple's innovative products to competitors. When it's time to purchase, they do so through Apple's sleek stores or user-friendly website. Post-purchase, services like AppleCare ensure customer satisfaction. Apple's primary customer persona is the tech-savvy millennial, aged 25-35, who appreciates high-end, innovative technology and has a middle to high-income level. Their marketing mix includes high-quality, innovative products, a premium pricing strategy, availability through Apple stores, online, and authorized resellers, and promotion via digital marketing, TV commercials, and influencer endorsements. Apple's competitive advantage stems from its unmatched innovation, seamless ecosystem integration, strong brand loyalty, and premium product quality. Their value proposition: high-performing, beautifully designed products that integrate seamlessly, offering a premium user experience. In a SWOT analysis, Apple's strengths include a strong brand and loyal customer base. Weaknesses are high prices and limited customization. Opportunities lie in emerging markets and expanding services like Apple TV+. Threats come from intense competition and market saturation. Using the VRIO framework, Apple's resources are valuable due to their innovation and ecosystem. They are rare with high brand loyalty. Their ecosystem is inimitable, and they are organized with efficient design and R&D processes. In the BCG Matrix, stars are products like the iPhone, cash cows include MacBooks, question marks are the Apple Watch, and dogs, like the iPod, are being phased out. Apple follows a differentiation strategy, offering unique designs and user experiences. For growth, Apple uses the Ansoff Matrix with market penetration by selling more iPhones in current markets, market development by entering new regions like India, product development by launching new accessories, and diversification by expanding into new services like financial offerings. Apple's STP analysis involves segmentation of tech-savvy individuals and creative professionals, targeting the premium market segment, and positioning as the maker of premium, innovative products. In the 4C framework, Apple's key focus is on customer needs for high-quality tech, cost to satisfy, which is high but justified by quality, convenience to buy through multiple channels, and communication via strong marketing campaigns. Apple's PESTLE analysis includes political aspects like trade policies, economic factors such as currency exchange rates, social trends towards digital devices, technological advancements, legal considerations like patent laws, and environmental initiatives for sustainability. With Porter's 5 forces, Apple faces high competitive rivalry from brands like Samsung, low threat of new entrants due to high barriers, moderate bargaining power of suppliers, high bargaining power of buyers, and a moderate threat of substitutes. In the product lifecycle, Apple's products like the iPhone go from introduction with new launches, growth with rapid sales, maturity with stabilized demand, and decline as older models phase out. And that's Apple's marketing plan in a nutshell. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights.